Alright, drop test sa Honor X9C. Sana hindi siya masira. Grabe, ito mga pinaggagawa natin. Nakakatakot. Pero pinapakita nito, it's okay at wala siyang scratches, wala siyang dami. Kasi yung body nito matibay eh. So let's do it again. Okay. Pwede nga ito gawing pamato eh. Grabe, baka, actually pwede daw ihulog sa second floor. But syempre hindi natin gagawin yan, no? So drop test na ba tayo ng Honor X9C? So, isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Walang sira, walang gasgas. Sobrang talagang totoong pinatibay talaga nila itong phone na to. May dumi lang. Ayan. Alright. So, after the drop test, let's do the water splash test. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Tayo sa hotel. Yung aking si Mami Lace. Ito, may bathtub dito. Try natin to. So, here's the Honor X9C. Tama-tama. May pang spray. We will punish this phone. Ayan. Here we go. It's still okay. Okay pa rin siya. Alright, drop test using the Honor X9C 5G. Okay, drop test na natin to. Let's do this. Alright, here's the Honor X9C 5G drop test. It's okay. No damage. It's alive. Right, Honor X9C 5G. Bagsak na natin to. Wow, lutong. Ang lutong ng balibag. Alright, check natin kung may damage. Walang dent. And walang damage sa screen. Still alive, still okay. That's Honor X9C 5G. Toughest to the toughest. Itong matindi, hanggang second floor tayo. Nakakatakot. Okay, gawin natin, hagis natin dun sa kabila. Nasa second floor tayo, going to the first floor. Record tayo ng video. Ayan, medyo nakakatakot to. Alright, Honor X9C. Ay, sayang, hindi ko nakuhanan. Diba yan? The screen is okay. Also yung sticker protector niya, okay din yung screen protector, walang gasgas. Wala ding dent. Yan, basagin na natin 'to. Grabe. Ang tibay nito. Grabe, Honor X9C 5G. Grabe. Grabe, ang tibay. Alright. So ito na yung pinakamatinding gagawin natin next, no? Boiling test, heat test sa Honor X9C. Alright, let's do this. water test na, heat test pa. Malamig pa. Here we go. Hot boiling water and Honor XC5G. So, alright. Let's do this. Alright. Nakakatakot grabe. Here we go. Anong ulam nyo? Cellphone! Soft na natin pagkatapos. Alright. The phone is working. Mainit. Init pa. Alright. Honor X9C survived the boiling test. Alright. Here's another one, boiling test with the Honor X9C 5G. Kumukulo-kulo pa. Luto na siya, luto na. Still working. It's working, it's mainit. Honor X9C survived the boiling test. Mainit pa, aray ko. Alright.